Namaskar friends. Today we are going to learn Srimad Bhagavad Gita in English, and today we are learning and try to understand what is Bhagavad Gita and how is this matter in our personal life. So today we will discuss about Adhyay 1 and Shloka 1. So let's come. So the first slok is Dharma धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे संवेता युजस्व मामका पांडस्य च किम कुर्वत संजय. So now we are translating this in Hindi. So in Hindi in this धृतराष्ट्र कहते हैं कि कुरुक्षेत्र जैसे धर्म क्षेत्र में भी जब मेरे अपने बेटे ही मेरे अपने भाई पांडु के बेटे के दुश्मन बने बैठे हैं, तो ऐसे में इस पावन धरती पर मैं क्या करूं. It's translated in English. Dhritarashtra says that on the lands of knowledge and rich traditional and culture history, Kurukshetra, my son and Pandu's sons who are brother are relentlessly eager to fight in such a scenario. What should I do, Sanjay? He asked to Sanjay. Then its meaning is this. Dhritarashtra and Pandu were two brothers who handled the kingdom of Hastinapur together. Dhritarashtra was the father of 100 sons, while Pandu was the father to 5 sons. The 100 sons were called the Kauravas, and the 5 sons of Pandu were collectively called the Pandavas. Due to difference of opinions and several incidents wronged at the both ends, the Kauravas and the Pandavas were not able to stand eye to eye and were at the juncture of a fight. All the people concerned with this brother tried to convince each other why not to fight and how to avoid the then deemed great and war called Mahabharata today. Multiple efforts were going in vain, as the fight was no more about winning a fair tussle. The matter that could have been avoided took place, and as a result, the hate and the clash between the two parties increased beyond bounds. Some issues were escalated to create a bad breach of trust and faith between the brothers. Then Dhritarashtra means to say, in that above line, this is the land where King Kuru had performed the puja and havan for being the most powerful and loved ruler of his time, so that he undefeated the invisible by evil force. Such a pure land of blessing was being used as a location to initiate a fight, and Dhritarashtra could not understand what would be the most accurate way to stop all the one and for all. He therefore mentioned the term Kshetra, which means the place of the rich worship emotion or the location of blessing, in equivalent to pilgrimage worth. In general, there are three things that lead to a fight in humans. Many women are property. In traditional Hindi, it is termed jar, choru, and Jamin. In Mahabharata, the fight started with pride in many and escalated to greed for property and in the insult of women. This collectively made all three basic reasons for differentiation come together in a full vicious circle to make matters worse. Dhritarashtra was an ardent supporter of ethics. He believed in the fact that if there is a waging war outstanding or theft of peace is due, anything and any action taken should be done in the jurisdiction of law, rules, guidance, and ethics. Despite the same, his own family people were bloodthirsty for the other half, and there was no one who was trying to look at the repercussions. In a logical manner, this led to a hug uproar in his mental peace because he could not digest the fact that his own people were openly defying his order. He was very worried because he knew that this will not only the end of the world but also even if they stop the war right now, then his mentality of not following the preset guidelines will lead to the doom of the entire kingdom. He knew that if the people have the idea that their own leader and the king does not believe in fair play, then there will be no guiding light upon them to control their devastating action. Hence, the Rashtra was sure that more than this war, this mentality of not following policies and guidelines will lead to the downfall of everyone.